To create group bookings from the dashboard, click on Services. All services have one slot as default. You can click on any of the services to add more slots for group bookings. This means that customers can book for the same slot until the class size limit you set is reached. You can also click on Add Services to add a new service and set a group size limit. In this example, I am creating a beauty class. Add cost if you have the cost of the service, otherwise you leave this blank. Select store type and selling price. Add discount if applicable, set group class size, set duration of the class, and submit. If you need help at any stage, you can click the Help button to have one of our support personnel assist you with onboarding. Do send us your feedback on using Amara. Happy selling!